Hello everyone! Are you looking to a new email marketing strategy and looking for an easy to use tool to get started? In this video, we will show you how to start using Sendinblue for beginners in 2023. From creating your email campaigns to building your subscriber list and analyzing your results. Learn how to harness the power of email marketing with Sendinblue. Now, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. The first thing first is go ahead and launch your browser. The next step, which is as usual, go ahead to the URL section and launch Hide in Blue or Send in Blue. So let's do that. Send in Blue. Here it is. And here we are. Now we can go to whatever browser of these. For example, this one is in French, this one is in English, I think. So you can go whatever suits you the best with the language. So I will add here English, of course, so I can have like the correct English website. So here it is. Let me search for the actual traduction. I think they have taken me like to the French one. So let me just remove this and remove all of these. I think. All right, they are always taking me here. All right, let's go here. And here we go. So now to sign up and start our account, we can just go to here to take a free test drive or to sign up. Let's go and sign up for free. Now you will have four options or three options to sign up. Only use your email and password, or the free way, which is the easiest way. Sign up with Google. So let's go with Google. You can also use Apple accounts. It also works for you if you do have one. Now let's go with Gmail account, and now you just have to fill these informations with like your personal information. So let's accept all the cookies and then fill these informations with some random answer. So tutorial, here the website is not really necessary to be put in, and click on next. Here now some information about your company. You can give them here the address and like some information. So let's here put Spain. These are some random like information, they are not correct. And here tell us more about your business. So how many people are in your team and how many contacts do you have. Let's choose one employee, and here no contact yet. And you sell online? No. And I don't want to receive product updates. So if you do want to receive any updates, make sure to check this. If you don't want to have it, don't check it. So now let's go and click on next. Here we go, next. And this is the last like process, which is create like putting your own phone number. So I will just have to put my phone number here real quick, and I will be right back to you guys. So now guys, I'm back to you once more. Here I have verified my phone number, and I am now at the process of choosing my plan. So mainly they have three plans: the free one, starter and business, and the fourth one, which is the enterprise. Of course it is only for the big companies, and it will be a much expensive plan. So us focusing on these ones, let me just go and choose the US dollars. So for the free version, of course it is free. You will have 300 emails per day. You will also have a customizable email template, drag and drop editor, transactional emails, and SMS and WhatsApp campaigns. For the $25 per month, you will have 20k emails per month. So I don't know how it's divided like exactly per day. Let's choose that exactly, see how many like per day. So let's say 20k divided per 30 days, you will have around 666, which is like the double and like a little bit more than the free version. So this is the thing, between starter and business you will have the same amount of emails per month, and as you can see you will have no daily sending limits. So you can send this 20k per month like one day and finish your month. You can have no send in blue logo, so you'll have no send in blue like watermark in your emails, basic reporting and analytics, and email support. Now for the business one, you will have from 20k emails per month, marketing automation, A/B testing, advanced statistic. For the A/B testing, it means like you can test from your own email and send it to another email to test like the emails. For those you don't really have this option. We can have advanced statistic, set some automation, multi-user access, and phone support. And of course, for the enterprise one, you will start from 1k per month, and of course, you'll have some extra high quality features. And here you can go through all the features by your own and check which one is the best for you. Now, let's go and continue with the free plan. So here it is, the free plan. Here you can add your first contacts and schedule your first campaign. In order for you to create a campaign, you can either click here or click on this button over here to create a campaign. Here you choose the standard, which is you'd like to have it as an email, SMS, WhatsApp, web push, or Facebook ads. So let's choose email. Here, give it a name, or you can just do an A/B test, which is you can choose an element to A/B test recipients in your test group, and we will receive either version A or B. So now let's go with campaign name. So we have now the free version, so we are going with the regular campaign. Here I'm going to name it tutorial, create a campaign. So now here you have to choose from which mail you would like it to be sent, this campaign. So add form, and here this is like the mail that I have chosen, and this is how it looks like. Click on here, you can remove it, and we can add a name which is tutorial. Save. Here to whom, so here you will add your contact list. For me, I don't really have any list, but I will choose this one and click on save right over here. So as you see, I have 3 remaining emails to send. So the subjects, here we'll have to add a subject, which is test mail, for example. And the preview text is gonna be like the below text, which is over here. So want to get some free cash, save. Here you can start designing. So basically you will have some template that you can work on to attract some people. So you can use, for example, this template, and literally everything here is customizable for free. So let's start with the actual logo. You can here just drag on your logo, change the image, and you will be able to set up whatever you'd like. So let me just go back because they took me to this page. So here you can just replace this picture with any of your pictures. So let's, for example, go here and drag this manga art, put it over here. Here the text, you can change it as well to whatever you'd like it to be, and literally you can change everything to fit your offer or your campaign. When you feel like you are finished, just click on save, and your offer shall be like good to go. Now you can either preview and test or schedule it to start at a time, which is the time that you like. So here they are, as you can see, this is the draft. And for you to actually send the test, just click on send the test, select a recipient from your recipient, and it will be started to be sent. So I will send it to myself, for example, send test, and test email has been successfully sent. So if I went to my email, as I think, let me just check which email I have chosen. More, send test, and all right, this one. So I think it is this one. All right, go to Gmail, and I think it is this one. All right, it's not this one. Let me just send it once more. Send test. Test email has been successfully sent. Maybe it can be in the spam area. Yeah, it has been sent to me in the spam area, guys, as you saw. So it is working. I sent 2 emails and they are both sent. So guys, that was it with today's video. I hope you liked it, and see you guys in the next tutorial.